The 1976 massacre of innocent children in apartheid South Africa, during the process when children were demanding right to education, gave birth to this day, the Day of the African Child. The intent of the day is refocusing on African children regarding their heritage and various acts of violence against children.
The impact of conflict and crisis on children in Africa is enormous and calls for urgent action to reverse the trend.
Also, the African Committee of Experts on the Rights and Welfare of Children commemorated the Day of the African Child by setting out the situational context of conflict and crisis in Africa, the negative impact on the rights of children, as well as prevention and elimination.
The right time to visit the issue of social and economic protection of parents who are in the vulnerable state for the purpose of well-being of children, especially those who are survivors of conflict.
They also called for the domestication of the International Monitoring and Reporting Mechanism on Grave Violations Against Children as adopted by the UN Security Council and speedy implementation of the Child Rights Act in the 36 states as against its domestication in 22 states of the Federation. Meanwhile, Plan International Nigeria marked the 2016 Day of the African Child with a call for total protection of children against all forms of human rights violations.
This will require collective action. Individuals, communities, and governments at all levels.
Laws should be implemented which stand against violation of human rights, most especially of that of the African.
The event was attended by representatives of NGOs and other relevant bodies as well as students from different schools. In Abuja, Olajide Bello, NTA News.